Can I trust my lawyer to keep my personal information private? We all value our privacy. We all want to know it's protected. During a divorce, you may ask yourself, is my privacy at risk? How much of my personal information will become public? How can my attorney help? Hi, I'm Dustin McCrary. I'm glad you found this site, and it's my hope that many of the resources here are helpful to you in the midst of the divorce process. Having practiced divorce and successfully represented countless clients over many years, I understand the thoughts and worries that go through many people's minds as they begin the divorce process. High among those concerns are, understandably, concerns about privacy. First and foremost, I want to say that I understand these concerns, and I feel that they're legitimate. During the divorce process, records that may be confidential are shared between the parties, and information about your personal life is revealed. Tax returns and retirement plans and bank accounts and investments, all these things are examined and exchanged. In our world today, where identity theft and misuse of the information of others is somewhat common, it's not unreasonable to be concerned about how your information will be protected and whether it might be misused. The good news, though, is that for the most part, a good deal of the information that you make available will be primarily accessed by your attorney. And if you choose the right attorney, one who understands the value you place on your information and will take the necessary steps to protect it, you can feel more at peace with the process. This leads to the question, how do you make sure your attorney and his or her legal team is doing exactly that? How can you ensure that they're taking the steps to protect your privacy and secure your information? First, keep your eyes and ears open the next time you go to your attorney's office. As you're waiting to meet with your attorney, spend some time really paying attention to what's going on around you. Is the receptionist in the lobby using other clients' names or discussing their cases over the phone within earshot of others? Can you hear attorneys in their offices discussing cases or playing client voicemails over speakerphone? Are papers with the personal information of others left lying on your attorney's desk in plain sight? These are a few red flags that you can watch for to get an idea of the efforts your attorney might make on a day-to-day basis to protect your information. Secondly, don't be afraid to ask questions. You can and should ask your attorney about the privacy policies and protections in place in his or her office. As a client, you have a right to know this information. Does your attorney have his or her employees sign a confidentiality agreement? Does your attorney have a document disposal process that ensures that your information won't be found by those who are looking to misappropriate and misuse it? Does your attorney feel the same about the importance of privacy as you do? These are important questions to ask, and you should ask them. A good attorney will be willing to provide the answers and assurances you need. Divorce is stressful enough without the additional concern of worrying about whether your personal information will be misused. Be sure to choose an attorney who feels the same.